Hello students, this is the third part of our fourth poem, Door Beach, which is written by Matthew Arnold. So, in this part, we are going to learn the third paragraph of summary of this poem. So, open page number 19 on this page number third paragraph. Now listen carefully. The poet then compares the sea to the religion. So, in the next stanza, the poet was comparing this sea water with the religion in this world. He says that this sea of religion was at a full tide in the past. So, the poet is telling us, trying to tell us that the sea of religion in the past, that sea of religion in the past was in the tide. It means that was spread in the whole area, on the whole earth, in the every corner of the earth, and everyone was affected by that religion. It covers the shore of the earth, and every corner of our earth, every region of our earth, every area, every person was covered by this religion. It appears like fold of the folded sail. Sail, it means a sheet of canvas hung from the pole to catch the wind and move the ship forward. So, I am giving you an example. Suppose this is a boat or ship, and on this boat there is a pole, and this pole is having some kind of canvas or some kind of cloth. So, when air touches this cloth, then automatically with the help of this cloth and air, the boat ship moves forward. So, this is called sail. This cloth, this canvas is called sail. But when the boat is standing at one place, this canvas is folded. This canvas is folded. When the boat is standing at a particular area, that time they fold the canvas and hang there. And when they want to move forward, they free that canvas, and after, when the air touches that canvas, automatically the boat or ship moves forward. So this canvas is called sail. It appeared like folded of the folds sail of a ship. So it was looking like the ship was standing at one place and the canvas was folded and hanged there. Therefore, the ship is not moving forward. It means people's thinking was not moving forward. They were standing at just one place. Why? Because they were having the influence of religion, and religion is not letting them move forward. Now, this sea of religion is withdrawing. Withdraw, it means moving back. So now in this period, in today's world, the sea of religion is moving back. That is withdrawing. It means people were not thinking more about the religion. They are being free from religious thinking, religious thoughts. The poet can hear the sorrowful and unpleasant sound of its withdrawal with the night wind. So sorrowful, it means very sad. So when in that night wind, that unpleasant sound, sorrowful sound, the poet was hearing, so that sound remembering him that the sea water is moving back. It means the religion, the influence of religion is moving back. Now the vast shore of the earth are lying. Lying, it means be in a flat position, uncovered from the sea of religion. So in today's world, the poet could see that the whole area of the earth is uncovered by religion. It means many people in this world now today not thinking more about religion. They are free from religious thinking. The pebbles are naked. Naked, it means not covered by water. The pebbles are naked like the evils in the modern world. So those pebbles which are not covered by sea water, they are thrown on the shore. So those pebbles the poet compare with the evils, very sinful, bad situations in this world or in today's world. So in this way, this third part ends here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.